Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1973 Pontiac Trans Am 455 4-speed. Incredible, man.
Michael, there's another fine example of a nice car that was restored. Over $100,000 in restoration done on this car. The owner paid $45,000 for this car back in 6 years ago. And then put over $100,000 into it. Labor of love. He just loved the car. 4-speed steering brakes, standard interior car, but this is a great car. Find another 4-speed 73. So.
We got the window sticker on this one. Stunning condition.
This car has some good get up and go, but anybody wants to take a car to any car show, they're going to win in first place with this car. The paint on this car is a 10.
It is gorgeous.
Got all the fit and finish on this car. Underneath is done Gardner exhaust on this car also. This beautiful piece. No money spared.
That is awesome. Looks like 1,500 miles on the rest though. Amazing. Yeah, FM 4-speed. Man, it's like brand new.
This car does have the original AM FM radio in it also, Michael.
Very cool. Well, for you collectors, we have this one and 4 others to choose from. We got a little something for everybody, or let's make a package deal. Anniversary car here. Super low miles on this one. It's 81. This one still has the original factory.
Keep on going to the 81.
Oh God, I love this car.
What do you think, you're Burt Reynolds?
I'm Burt Reynolds, guys. I just can't stop. This car is killer.
It is new, 9,000 miles. The
Wow.
best of the best right there. Last year, 1981. The best of the best.
We got these Super Duties here. 73, 74. Incredible. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399.